again, we have just absolute whiteout conditions up here. I mean, whiteout. You can't see anything. So, hate to keep doing this on the show, but I gotta just go right into the trees. It's really the only thing to do in conditions like that. I know that's been the MO on the hill here for the last few episodes and, well, the last few years. But Vail has such nice tree skiing. When you get conditions like this, it's the only thing to do, and that's what I like to show people who tune in. We've had such a great loyal viewership over the years, thanks to all you guys. I just like to show everyone exactly what I think is best to do when it's dumping to the degree it is now. I mean, it's just a downpour, an absolute downpour. We're gonna keep it short today, but January has been fantastic, and that's another thing that's been true in Vail over the last few years. January's proven to be the best month, even on some of the low snow years. But this year's looking okay. We're above 100 inches and counting. So here we go, back out into the storm. We'll wrap it up here. Thanks so much for tuning in to On the Hill. For now, it's John LaConte signing off, and we'll see you tomorrow.